still really want to go to the theme park, the biggest one. Can you help me to find it? Which one is bigger? This one or this one? 30,712 people can go to the first place. And then 64,528 people can go to the second place. So, which one is bigger? Yeah, this one of course. But why? Let's study about it in comparing and ordering numbers. Yay! Let's compare 10,000. Which is greater, 93,085 or 76,104? Let's compare them using table. In 93,085, what is the digit in 10,000s? Yeah, it's 9. What about thousands? 3. Pretty good. What about hundreds? 0. What about tens? 8. What about ones? 5. Pretty good. In 76,104, what is the digit in 10,000s? 7. Good. What about thousands? 6. Well, good. What about hundreds? 1. What about tens? 0. What about ones? 4. Okay, now let's compare the 10,000s. We got 9 and 7. Well, 9 10,000s is greater than 7 10,000s. So, we know that 93,085 is greater than 76,104. So easy, isn't it? Now let's try this. Which is smaller? 37,000 or 36,460? Let's compare them using table. Now, in 37,000, what is the digit in 10,000s? Yeah, it's 3. What about thousands? It's 7. And hundreds? 0. What about tens? 0 too. What about ones? Also 0. Now, let's write the 36,460. What is the digit in 10,000s? 3. What about thousands? 6. What about hundreds? 4. What about tens? It's 6. What about ones? 0. Now let's compare the 10,000s. When we compare the 10,000s, we got the equal of digits, right? So, let's compare the next digit, that is the thousands. We found that 7 and 6 are different. Well, 6,000 is smaller than 7,000. So, we know that 36,460 is smaller than 37,000. So cool! Easy, isn't it? Now, let's arrange the numbers. We got 20,345, 27,107, and 23,088 from smallest to greatest. Let's compare them using table. First, in 20,345, what is the digit in 10,000s? Yeah, it's 2. What about thousands? 0. What about hundreds? It's 3. What about tens? 4. What about ones? 5. Now, let's move to the next number. In 27,107, what is the digit in 10,000s? 2. What about thousands? 7. What about hundreds? 1. What about tens? 0. What about ones? It's 7. Pretty good. Let's move to the next number. In 23,088, what is the digit in 10,000s? 2. What about thousands? 3. What about hundreds? 0. What about tens? 8. What about ones? 8 also. Now, let's compare the 10,000s. We found that the digits in 10,000s are equal. So, let's compare the thousands. We can see that 0,000 is the smallest one, and 3,000 is smaller than 7,000. So, we got that from smallest to the greatest, the numbers are 20,345 and then 23,088, and the greatest is 27,107. Let's try. Arrange these numbers in decreasing order. Decreasing means from the biggest to the smallest. Let's try. We have 41,325 and then 31,425 and 51,324. We can compare them using table or just look at the digits. Let's compare the digit in 10,000s. We get 4, 3, and 5. So, what is the biggest? 5. Yeah. So, we can write 51,325 is the biggest numbers. So, what's next? Yeah, 41,325. And the last is 31,425. For your information, before we compare them, we have to make sure that all of them have the same digit. In this case, All of these numbers have 5 digits, right? Let's try the next one. We have 27,084, then 20,784, and 27,840, and 20,874. Now, let's compare the 10,000s digit. We got all of them. The digit in 10,000s are equal. So, let's compare the next digit, that is thousands. So, we find 7070. 7 and 0, which one is bigger? 7, of course. So, we can compare the next number after them. And we find this order. From the biggest to the smallest. You can arrange this using tables. Just compare the digits. Now let's try. What is the smallest 5-digit odd number that can be formed using 9, 2, 0, 4, and 7? So, we can use the table to make the numbers. We have to make the smallest 5-digit odd number, the smallest. So, we can use the smallest number in the 10,000s. Which one is the smallest? 9, 2, 0, 4, or 7? 2, yeah. Why it's not 0? Because if we put 0 in 10,000s, we just have 4 digits, but we should make 5 digits. Okay? Now let's see. We have to make odd number. So we have to put odd number in ones place. Which one is the odd number? 9, 2, 0, 4, or 7? Yeah, there are 2 options. We can put 9 or we can put 7. We have these 2 choices. Now, let's fill the blanks. In thousands place, just put the number from the smallest to the biggest. So, we put 0 and then 4. In tens place, we can see if we put 9 in ones place, so in tens place, we just can put 7. Besides, if we put 7 in ones place, we only can put 9 in tens place. So, these are the possibilities. And let's see, what is the smallest 5-digit odd number? Let's compare them. The 10,000s are equal the thousands also equals, the hundreds also equals, the tens, is it equals? Of course not. Which one is smallest? Yeah, 7 tenths is smaller than 9 tenths. So the answer is 20,479. Yeah, that is the smallest 5-digit odd number that can be formed using the numbers. Easy, isn't it? Well, thank you so much. I hope you understand about my explanation. Now, let's exercise.